Please like and subscribe, please. I'm just gonna go fishing. And I don't even know if this is copyrighted music. And I'm gonna turn this down a little bit. So okay. Okay, fine, I'll turn it back on. Why does it feel so uncomfortable in my mouth? Ah! Oh my god, this is so heavy. I can't pick it up. Oh, why is the water sinking? Ah! Are you trying to tell me? No, I promise I was trying to get a shark instead. Go out and turn this on. Hey, where do you think you're going? Come here right now. You shall not escape me. Now I'm gonna go underwater instead. Oh crap. Well, he can't he can't catch up to me. He's way too fat. Never mind. No. Guys, Let's put some more danger acid. Let's put some more acid to kill some sharks to get some food, and then we can get the poison out. No, actually, we're here to kill Godzilla. Wait, we're here to kill Godzilla. Wait, no, we're trying to kill the Megalodon. Wait, what the frick? I killed them all! Hello! Oh, I'm British. Okay, boy, no. Boy, food. Sorry. No. Let go. Ow! Ah! Stupid fish! I hate fish! Fish is good. What? Man, they just said something. It has to be the rain. Nope, it's me. Blah. Oh no, British Godzilla. Hello. No, please don't kill me. Please, I have a wife and I have kids too. Please, I have a wife and kids. Please don't kill me. I do not care if you have wife and kids, I'm hungry. That's just yummy. I have wife and kids too. Just killed your own self, you dumb idiot. Stupid building. Please don't eat me, please. I have wife and kids. I don't care. I don't care if you have wife and kids. Ow. Ow. What's on my nose? Stupid stick. Hey, where do you think you're going? Up! FBI, shoot! Open fire right now! Ow! Stop doing that! Stop doing that! That really hurts! Ow! Ow! You missed me! Ow! Ow! Stop shooting missiles at me! Ow! Ah! Stupid tank! Ow! Stupid tank! You deserve to get picked up. This is what you get for shooting missiles at me. You know, I'm just using this as a shield. And take this! No, 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 please. Please, no. Ah! I believe I can.